excuse me. Yeah, I know you guys are all sucking on the Yankees' dick because they signed Garrett Cole. Yeah, he's an ace. He's a starting pitcher. And over here in Queens, you know what I'm saying, at Citi Field, you don't respect what us Mets are doing. Let me tell you, let's go Mets. Yeah. LGM. Yeah. And you know what? We have a big signing to announce. We have a guy that's better than Garrett Cole. He's lights out. And when I say lights out, I mean he passes out all the time. And just give it up for our ace in the hole. He's the #1 starter, Michael Anthony. Michael Anthony, give it up for Michael Anthony.
Thank you, President Manager.
Thank you. My name's Mr. Met.
Okay, all right. I appreciate you. And what I'm here to do is bring rings to New York. And by rings, I mean the ring worm that I get when I sleep outside.
By rings, he means MLB championships.
That's what I mean.
Okay, he was talking to me. He was asking me.
I was trying to make a metaphor because I'm a smart guy. And I'm going to show you how smart I am when I'm on the mat.
He was asking me for, how can we get medals?
Yes, that's right. You know what I mean? Like comp and things like that I can go in exchange for money and things like that because I'm on a 10-day contract. It's kind of like, not a big deal or whatever. But, but I'm here. Okay. And I'm here to start. I'm here to stay. I'm a true born and bred New Yorker.
There you go.
And I'm ready to go. All right?
Listen, as soon as he passes his physical, we're going to have him started.
That's absolutely right. And as long as my guts don't hurt, I'm going to be 100% come opening day, your ace.
Have you done anything unprotected or anything risky that makes you possibly not be able to be in the roster for the baseball team?
I mean, I got a hand job from Yesenia, but I don't know if that counts.
Hey, that's good enough. So, you live here.
I just want to say thank you to my man, President General, for having me up here pitching for my hometown team. And I want to say one thing. You're tuned into motherfucking episode 183 of the most dangerous podcast in the world. The motherfucking Bodega Boys. I came here because Julio plays second base and I see the motherfucker every day. So now I'm going to get right in the locker room. Let's go. Do the fucking drop.
Nice. Uno, dos, tres, dale. Yo, episode 183 of the world's most, the only podcast that you could possibly get tetanus listening to it.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Bodega Boys in the building.
You know what I mean? Breathe into the tuberculosis.
Please
you know
forgive me. I have SARS, so I might be coughing.
It's all good, baby.
You know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby.
I'm smoking weed on the side just to make sure that I do not contract it.
Wow.
Contrary to popular belief, weed is a vaccine. Mm-hmm. Therefore, you do not have to vaccinate it. Get the fuck out of here. Yo, if I see you talking shit, talking about you not vaccinating your kids, I'm going to duff you.
Nah. Don't vaccinate your kids. All right, my kids, they're gonna have like off vax. They're gonna have like an orange tag. They're just be like mad sickly and shit.
Yeah, mad exclusive.
Exclusive, like leave them over there.
Okay? Oh, you got vaccinated general release, kid?
Listen, why would you feed Bronx peanut butter? They're like, your daughter's name is Bronx? I was like, yes, her name is Bronx.
Yes.
I made it up.
Is there a problem with that?
Okay.
It's never been used before.
My Haven, get off of there. Yo, so I'm coming to you live from Milk Studios.
Leche Gang.
Kingsbridge, I'm not playing with you. Spite Van Cortlandt Garden.
Excuse me.
Get over here.
You just get mad lazy. You be like, yo, 176. 176, come over here.
You know what? I'm not even going to say all your names. All of you whose names are stops on the 2 train, get over here right now. Jackson Ave, I'm not playing. Listen. East 180th, what's wrong with you? That's a girl's name. Yo, as always, sponsored by who? Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Cash App, who keeps that cash apping. And, we're on vacation for Showtime. We've forgotten how to do a TV show, so it's never coming back. Nah, I'm kidding. Coming back February. You know what I'm saying? Coming back February 3rd.
We're doing TV push-ups.
You know what I'm saying?
That's when you just sniff mad coke.
We just be in our driveway drinking Merlot like LeBron in the off season. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting some hair plugs.
Middle Monday.
You know what I'm saying?
We.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
We got to come up with something because he has Taco Tuesday, so we're gonna do.
Does it have to be equally offensive?
I was about to do. And get this podcast canceled.
Wow!
So,
hit it.
You know what?
Hit it.
That's called growth. That is called growth.
Listen, and if you know us,
you don't want that.
You don't want that.
You don't
also,
want that.
if you know us, you know what was about to happen. So you can like imagine it, and then we save ourselves the headache of being canceled by our network. Not canceled, but actually
we
on
have
paper
to start
canceled.
that as the new trend. We have to start canceling people for thoughts.
Yeah,
For thoughts that you had.
Yo, you thought you was about to say
I know what you
that.
was thinking.
I know what you was thinking.
Yeah.
I know what you was thinking.
But you know what? Nah, we're gonna start our new Law and Order, mind sex.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. Oh, you looked at Shorty on the train a little too long, sir.
I got dreads.
Come with me.
I'm like, yeah. They're like, how do you work a Dead Prez song into every episode? I was like, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. What
Don't
we
worry
do.
about it.
Stickman is the musical director.
Wait a minute. It's winter, but her coconut oil was liquid. It's like, wow.
We got to take that. Back that up as evidence.
Chasing niggas to play in the African drums and shit. Like, y'all want that? Do you want that in the streets? Dick Wolf, give that to us.
Yo, niggas taking DNA fingerprints off the drums. They're like, you play the drums so well.
Yeah.
Do you mind playing them for me right now?
Yeah, copy. We're undercover at Afropunk. Yeah.
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 Yeah, we're going to take him down there in the Tyler set.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Safe word is TV on the radio.
Playhouses, go. Only person with a fucking bulletproof vest under a dashiki. He drinking nutcrackers on the job. Don't tell me what the fuck to do.
Yo, fuck that.
I know Lord Finesse.
Yo.
Fuck you.
Fuck that.
I was almost in DITC.
That's right.
Okay?
I was in the cypher with Percy P. Lord Finesse and Milano.
I had Solange's album before I knew she was Beyonce's
That's
sister.
right.
How about that?
Can you even spell Pudgy the fat bastard?
You can't.
You can't.
You can't.
That's,
all right?
That's hip hop.
Okay, I knew about Ari Lennox like way back.
Yeah.
You guys don't know anything.
You don't know anything at all.
Okay, I once went to a Lauryn Hill concert and she didn't come out till 3 years later.
Yeah.
So I know like
Yeah.
hip hop.
Stupid.
I just pass out by like some wood carving shit. South Afropunk.
Yeah.
We're gonna do Bronx Road Punk.
Bronx Road Punk?
Bronx Road Punk.
It's just headlined by French Montana.
We just gonna tell that because everyone come to Orchard Beach.
Yo.
Now we're doing Spaghetti Fest. Unlimited, because you got Pizza Zoo.
Yeah.
All my Dominicans come to the beach. Unlimited. You know what?
Pots of spaghetti.
Every week we talk about we open it in the La Marina. If we crash the gates, they can't stop us. The sand still gotta be there, right?
Yeah.
Right?
They didn't take that's cost money to remove.
Listen. January, hold on, we're gonna figure this out.
We gotta get some heat lamps.
Nah, bring a Nike tech suit.
Yeah,
a Nike tech suit and a North Face.
Facts. Come through in your biggie and your tech suit.
But you can still wear your shoes that show your toes. I know you ladies like that. All right? Don't waste that pedicure, ma.
Word.
All right.
Sponsored by Nail Lounge.
We free January 18th? All right,
Hey.
January 18th. Meet us at the gates of La Marina at 1 p.m.
That's right.
Bring
We'll
a
stop
pot
that
of
shit.
spaghetti, bolt cutters, because there might be some gates, and Hasan will be spinning on the ones and twos.
You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be lit. It might be a little brick. Not gonna lie.
It might be a little brick.
I don't know if you want to be in La Marina where there's chunks of ice floating in the river, but
all you gotta do,
bring a blunt.
heat up your cheeks and twerk, man.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
That's all. You know what I mean?
And Hasan's not playing no new music. He's only playing music from when La Marina was at his greatest, aka the hits of 2016, aka he's gonna play Controller 20 times in a row. And I'm gonna walk up to the booth and I'm gonna whisper to him.
Joint.
Yeah, play the popcorn.
Play the popcorn joint.
All right, you played the popcorn, play the Drake one.
Yo, can you blend? Yo, this is gonna sound
I'll be
crazy.
like this. I'll be like, yo, play the popcorn one.
Yo, listen, this is gonna sound wild,
Right.
But it's wild innovative. Why don't you blend the same record?
Come on, drunk. I'll be like, yo, blow them minds, play one dance. Yo. He plays something like fucking shots. Everyone's like, oh, he's playing old school.
Yo,
So I stand on the speaker. That's not old school.
that's
not old school.
Big time Tommy comes like the Kool-Aid Man, like, oh nah, take it east. That's not old school. Yo, play Maria by TKA, bro.
Yo, a freestyle set at La Marina would
Body. What? All the titis will stop. There wouldn't be no complaints from no titis.
Oh man,
They'll be like, I love La Marina. It's my new spot.
Instead of talking about La Marina, should we just okay, we've talked about this on the podcast. you failed me because I said if everyone brings a bucket of sand and dumps it on the banks of the Bronx River, we can make a new La Marina.
Yeah.
No one showed up.
No one. I was just there with a 5-gallon paint bucket.
Because I was stealing sand from a children's playground. And it doesn't look right when you're just there dressed in all black at 7 a.m. scooping it.
This is why I love you. You just gave me an opportunity to take a shot at Judy. We went to the motherfucking public pool and stole sand for a sandbox. I just snitched on myself.
You told that story before.
I did?
Yeah.
We did it again.
Again?
Again.
Again and again.
Predicate
sand felon. Mr. Sandman. What, nigga?
What?
Bring me a brick.
Fuck that. Yeah, I got a Home Depot book. I got to bring this shit back tomorrow.
It's not funny, but the cops busted a heroin ring 2 blocks away from my house. And when they were... Because they busted to the apartment and it was like, man, newspaper niggas was bagging up. And somebody took a brick of fentanyl and threw it at the cop's head.
Wow.
So now he's going to go to jail for like attempted murder or some shit like that.
Wow. And the cop didn't die?
Nah, because it was just like powder in the air. Like, you know, powder in the air. I could get high anywhere. Take a look. It's in a book. Fentanyl rainbow. I can OD anything. You know what?
It's going to come out like a week from now, so it's okay. It's okay.
Wow. Everyone's like, what? But yeah, man, you know, shit is popping. Shout out to the Yankees. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we got signed Garrett Cole. All you stupid motherfuckers that was mad talking about, no, he's coming to the Dodgers. No, bro, the Astros are keeping him, bro. Let me tell you something. That little skinny white boy grew up a Yankee fan his entire life.
Whoa, I don't see race.
That's right.
He's black to me. Continue.
You know what? I'm gonna follow that lead, and I'm not gonna call him Garrett Cole. I'm gonna call him what any one of my uncles will call him, and call him Getty Cole.
There we go.
So shout out to Getty Cole.
Are you exposing him as a secret Dominican?
He might be.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
If the curveball is hitting, it depends on his ERA.
Wow.
If his ERA stays below 3, he's Dominican.
He's Dominican.
You know what I'm
Are
saying?
you inviting him? Are you opening the invite for him to hang with us at Mama Sushi and then follow it up at Locksmith Bar?
Yes, and then pitch 8 innings.
Let's go.
15 strikeouts.
If Robert Cano and Milky Cabrera could do it, you could do it too. You could do it too.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, inside this is our new Nike ad. It's like inside of everyone is a Dominican. And it's just like a black and white slow pan. And it's just mad people like, que lo que. It's like little white girls like, que lo que.
Dímelo.
Que lo que.
Que fue.
Chapiadora. So at Nike, they're like, yeah.
I like that.
They're like, how can we make a sneaker for Dominicans, but they'll know it's for Dominicans? So what at the table's like, why don't we put a Dominican flag? They're like, that's too on the nose.
Yeah, no.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take. You know what? We're gonna take the picture of a plantain seed and put it in the heel.
Boom.
There you go.
There
Boom.
you go.
We're done. We're done. Call them the Guadalajaras. like that's. I don't think that's in DR, but
definitely not. I was like, is this foul or is this not foul? I was gonna be like, yo, they should just do it like a jump man, but instead of a jump man, it's like David Ortiz falling out of a chair. Like, oh no, they clapping me.
That's your culture. I can't.
Shout to him though. He's good though.
Shout to him or shout to him. Ow, take that, nigga. Take that. Aye. That's what you take.
He's like, papi, no. See,
you don't hit Mariano's pitch. You don't hit Mariano's pitch.
No, it's a pica.
Nah, we kidding. David Ortiz. Is he better?
He's good. He's chilling.
You know what?
He wear Versace polos. Like, yo.
Someone pointed out to me this weekend, they were like, because I'm from the Bronx, I don't take gunshots seriously. And I was like, it's not that. Because the thing is, if you get shot in the Bronx, your survival rate is something like 80%.
Yeah.
If you get shot in the Bronx all the time, you be in a hospital, but you survive.
Yo, bro, it's like if you
just because you get shot doesn't mean
that you're fucked.
Not done.
Yeah, no, you good.
You know?
Now you got a cool story though.
You know, you get out that hospital, you be like, Ozempic.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the bang, the summer song of the year.
Song of the year.
I don't want to hear nothing.
Yo, Drake, you got to hop on that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You come on like,
if you want to take over the summer.
Oh. Girl, you have me frantic. Had to take Ozantic and it turns to Afro.
Oh, shit.
At first, I'm like, why he's on this shit?
Ozempic. It's frantic with Ozempic.
Oh, man.
Ozempic.
Girl, you fit my bill. You are my little pill.
Ozempic.
I take you with water. And you're like, oh, shit. I'm like, yo, Drake killing this shit.
Yo. He'd be like, I take you with water.
I take you with water. I don't care about the side effects.
No.
Let's just go home and watch Netflix and have some sex. And then he goes Jamaican like boss man tings. And you're like, wow, Drake.
Okay, all right.
Choppy Adoras, Kalo K.
Okay, all right.
I'm like, what other culture you gonna say?
Okay. He's like, I climb up in it, and I find it in it. Like, all right, wow. Okay, wow, man. All right, 3 for 3. You good. They got the ill stat line on the track. Like, yo, singing to 3 accents. 3 for 3 on the accents.
From Z to 102 kilometers. I'm like, oh, wow. Hold on, pause. Google calculator.
Metric, miles, kilometers.
Oh, is that a lot? Was he moving fast? I don't know.
66.2? Is that fast? I don't know.
They should give you an option on Uber to, like, pick a reckless driver.
Yeah.
Like, yo, I need to get somewhere quick.
Dumb fast. I want this nigga to shoulder.
Be like, yo, your driver doesn't really respect like traffic regulations.
Nah.
Like, yes.
Yeah. Does your driver use a blinker? No.
Nothing's worse than when you get in an Uber and the Uber driver looks back to make sure you put your seatbelt on, because then he's like,
you're
like,
herb.
safe.
Yeah.
I like Uber drivers that like pull off while you're still walking in the car.
Yeah, the door's still like half open.
Yeah.
That shit ain't even clicking yet. Niggas like, pew.
nigga go like 2 miles, turn around like, what's your name?
I said this shit on like episode 82, but a dude picked me up with the dude with his kid in the front baby seat, in the front seat of the baby seat. I was like, this motherfucker's gonna get me there early.
Listen,
you know what I'm saying? Because he got to drop this baby off in like an hour.
Or they should have. You should be able to pick like your Uber driver's mood. Because like, say you like feel like the Yankees just signed Cole, you want to celebrate. Yeah. Get like a happy nigga. Yeah. Or say you fight with your girl.
Like, yo.
You get like the sad nigga. Be like, yeah. Oh, you know what? This nigga got more problems than me.
Yeah,
fuck
like,
that.
yo,
I'm good.
Yeah, I feel you, but like, y'all just arguing. I came in, fucking, she was like shooting dope in the babies. You know fucking,
I gotta drive 3 Ubers a day because you know what I'm saying. I got 6 kids and shit, and like they all got brittle bones and shit. So you know, like, and insurance don't cover that. And you know, I used to be. I was in a rap group with Mike Geronimo.
Yeah,
and you know, then, he just left us.
I thought I was on top of the world, you know, but then I started over and I became like a chemical engineer. I ended up working for Pfizer, you know, making a lot of money.
Yeah. But then it was like I messed up a chemical and I got fired and there was a class action lawsuit. And then,
I was the fall guy.
Yeah, and then my mother died in the fire because, you know, like I was burning a candle and, you know, so now I'm just driving Ubers and shit. Yeah, so, yeah.
All right, nigga. Damn, I'm gonna tip you 10%. All right, nigga. Damn. Fuck.
Damn.
Yeah, fuck. Chill.
Sometimes you leave the Uber and sometimes you like, yo, have a good night. And sometimes you like, yo, don't kill yourself.
Yo. For real.
Sometimes you like, yo, my nigga. Do you want to come upstairs?
Or there's like always, there's like 3 things you tell an Uber driver. You're like, yo, good. It's either good, like, it's either like neutral, like, yo, you did a good job. Thank you for getting me here. Yo, don't kill yourself. Or like, yo, my nigga, temper your expectations. That mixtape that you just played for me is not it. You know what I'm saying? So just temper your expectations. I'm not saying don't follow your dreams.
Yo, my nigga, like, can I play you a track? Can I play you a track real quick? You know what I'm saying? I'm not just an Uber driver.
That's when you just open the Uber app and see how far you got to go. You're like,
yo, my man, can I play you a track real quick?
Yeah, fuck it.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
We got 3 minutes. Go ahead, fuck it.
Hold on a second. Nigga, I was looking at the driver. He like,
niggas playing on the iPhone and shit like that.
Hold on, wait 1 second.
Yo, the aux cord's back there. You can pass me that?
Hold on, wait 1 second. What's this? Nigga driving.
You got it? You got it? Yo, there's a meeting.
Yeah, this one. Okay, this is like the first track.
Shit. I see.
Come on, ride it, Uber driver. Come on, ride it, Uber driver.
Oh, it's like the ghost town.
Uber driver. Yeah. So I just kicked in the verse like I'm trying to do like a Miami beat. Come on, ride it.
Okay.
Uber driver.
How are you gonna clear that?
When you're driving and you're vibing and you're driving. Uber.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's like 12 tracks about being an Uber driver, you know what I'm saying?
All of them?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was just like the one.
Nah, like I come from different
personal experience type
perspectives.
thing.
Like there's one where like I am the perspective of the actual car. Like I based that on like Nas when he rap about the gun. Then I got one where I'm a passenger, like I'm in love with the girl in the front seat, but I don't know her, and I know, you know what I'm saying? It's all about Uber experiences. That's why it's called the Uber.
Oh, the Uber.
Yeah. If you just Venmo, I'll send you a digital download email. Matter of fact, what's your real government name so I can friend you on Facebook and I'll just DM you?
I don't. I stopped using Facebook. I'm not really on social media like that.
Just open the door and roll out. 5 stars.
5 stars. You just jump in the sunroof, like, hit the eject button and shit.
Instead of 5 stars, they should give you an option to be like, because you don't want to give them 0 stars, but you should have like a box be like, I want to fight you.
Yeah. Like yo, fam, you got me there. You got me there in time, but I want to fight you. Like you know what I'm saying? It's like in school when they're like, yo, your behavior cannot affect your grade. Like if you get 100 on every test, like niggas can't fail you just because you were a little badass.
Yeah.
Even if, you know what I mean? It should be like that. Like, yo, you got me there 15 minutes early, but you talked my ear off and you prevented me from sending various emails I needed to send. So I want to fight you now.
How come they don't give free breakfast anymore? They should do that for adults.
In like school?
No, just everywhere. You should get like free breakfast. Why not?
Free breakfast would be lit. New York makes enough money. They could give out a free continental breakfast, yo. Yeah, niggas could put out some English muffins and some butter and shit. B, stop playing, yo.
Yeah.
And like, yo, fam. Like, I worked at a broke ass home school, and motherfuckers bought in them Dunkin' Donuts box of Joes. You know when you're working in a broke ass office and they just bring in them box of Joes of regular ass Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Like, yo, come on, y'all could do better. Stop.
See, the problem is now they're gonna make like inmates make them, and that's gonna feel bad. Like,
oh yeah, no core craft, made like strictly like made by real people getting living wages.
What's the name of those little balls they sell at Dunkin' Donuts?
The Munchkins.
The Munchkins.
Yeah.
Is that not problematic?
Now that I think about it,
is Dunkin' Donuts can't? You know what?
Yo,
Dunkin' Donuts.
Yo.
I'm on watch. You are canceled.
You're canceled.
How dare you disrespect the Munchkin community?
I'll never purchase another frappuccino there.
How dare them? I will never order another delicious bacon, egg, and cheese on a big. A lot of that stuff you realize is just the same thing. They just change the breads and shit.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
But, that's it. They sprinkle like rosemary on the top to make the shit look fancy.
Dunkin' Donuts, you canceled. So where do we go for donuts now? Okay, ain't no is there a Krispy? There might be a Krispy Kreme in the Bronx, but it's probably like on like what 3rd Ave, and you probably get shot going there.
Yeah, and it's like the only one, and they run out of donuts by like noon.
Yeah,
because all the cops go there.
It's probably by the Auntie Anne's over there. I was walking, I was like, "There's an Auntie Anne's on 149th Street," and I was like, "Yeah, nigga." I was like, "This is the French Riviera of the Bronx. You buying some shit?"
Yeah, it was popping.
And I was like, "You know what? I'm gonna buy that rug that's in front of the store right there." Yeah, that black rug that has a tiger's head. Yeah, that would look beautiful in my bedroom.
With the bejeweled eyes. Give me that one.
Matter of fact, that's a carpet. I'm gonna use it as a duvet.
Bong.
Yeah. Take that, heating bill.
But sir, it has a rubber bottom.
Yeah. So do I. Rubber Bottom, that's our new show on fucking Disney Plus. After Hours. Yeah, when Disney Plus gets nasty.
Yeah.
It's like Goofy's like, look at my cock. He nuts on the screen and scrolls Disney Plus.
It's like, it's like Disney Plus.
Gosh, you're watching Disney Plus.
Gosh, I just nutted on your screen. Oh, yeah. Nigga Pluto comes in like, ruh-roh.
Oh, Disney Plus show is like the wild.
Nigga's like, Goofy, are you jacking off in here again?
They just got a video of like fucking Mickey Mouse spitting in Minnie's mouth from behind and shit. Or he's stroking her ears.
Nigga Donald getting top like. This is like, you like that, Daddy's like.
Oh shit! Scrooge McDuck's getting wild toppy in the coin pit. Life is like yeah. Take that, you whore. Throw a coin. Oh, and you know Baloo and Tailspin was definitely getting.
Oh, what?
You know he's blowing Rebecca's back out.
Oh, hard body.
He was like, yo, Kit. babysit that kid.
Yo, watch that kid for a second while I blow her back out.
Nigga blow her back out while flying. It's like, I got a tailspin for you.
Yeah.
All right, we have just completely destroyed the Disney Plus catalog.
Yo, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Scorched earth.
Listen, I don't even want to tell you what Darkwing Duck was doing.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
yo. And Lunchpad was in DuckTales and Darkwing Duck. You know how he got both roles.
I think, no, something, if you look, something, and I'm sad to say this, something happened with the kids on DuckTales with Launchpad.
Huey, Louie, and Dewey?
He touched one of the kids. Because think about it, he was Scrooge McDuck's personal pilot,
helicopter, yeah.
And now he's just hanging with this bum ass nigga that don't even have custody.
Yep. Yeah.
Think about it. Think about it. The dark side of Disney Plus.
Yup.
Investigate Launchpad.
Then they blackball Huey, Dewey, and Louie. They ain't getting no spinoff.
Should we do a Michael Jackson style documentary?
Escaping DuckTales?
Escaping DuckTales.
Yeah. Stop telling us DuckTales. You know what I'm saying?
Right, that's what Disney fans like. You getting all the facts wrong. I was like, so what?
So
what? Correct me on your podcast. You can't. You can't.
How you feel?
Shout out to having a podcast, you know.
Yeah, we out here.
Still got a podcast. Everyone, we meet a lot of famous people. They're like, you still do the podcast? I was like, oh shit, we could just end this shit, huh?
We could.
Yeah.
But then how would you feel?
How would you feel? How would you feel? How would you know if it's all good enough?
Damn, I was just cracking like a motherfucker. I was screaming all weekend. I was back in the motherland, DR. Shout out to all my Dominicans. I almost forgot to speak English. If I would have stayed there for a whole week, I would have came back and been like, Papi, Desus, we're gonna do podcast today. Yes? We having a laughing time. Hey, rapping. Hey, Donald Trump, he crazy. He doing thing out here. Papi. I literally forgot to speak English, fam. I did not speak a single word English, and I was like struggling to find words in English.
I'm sorry. I was just doing Mad K at the Sound Factory. And, you know the vibes.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, shit. That's what these songs are all 20 minutes long.
Remember this right here? It's moving them bags, baby. Moving them bags in that club. I probably had on like an Ed Hardy shirt or something.
Oh, yeah. And 20 packages.
Remember
the last time you forever. Here's a 20.
Was it what you imagined? Or did you feel magic? And then I'd get on the train and go home.
Don't give me 4 5.
It was so wild. I'd get on the train and just fall asleep. I just fall asleep at like 34th Street and just wake up at 233rd Street.
That's where you gotta find a functional head that will just like drive you around for like two.
Ain't nobody had head money back then.
You know what I'm saying?
Neither one of the heads. That's a joke. It's a double entendre. Like when Mero says double toppy, it's like the same thing, you know? It's like two girls named Entendre. Yeah. You know?
Entendre.
Call me Aaliyah because it's like back and forth.
One of Future's kids, his name is definitely named Entendre.
One of Future's kids' name is definitely, if he doesn't have a kid named Lean or Leonardo or something.
Oh, or like
as a joke.
Activist.
Because he has enough kids at this point, you could do like joke names.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you and the mother
just
would be
fucking
like,
around.
Wink, wink.
Yo, let's name him basketball. That'll be funny. Until
They're
he goes to
playing
school.
basket. Future should remake that. Basketball.
They're
Basketball's the
playing
name of the sport.
basketball.
Basketball's the name of the sport.
You're playing basketball on the court. Basketball's the name of the sport.
Basketball.
Playing basketball on the court. Baby. Woo! If you're a Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Woo! If he doesn't, you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Ah!
Has Future shot anybody that Young Metro doesn't trust yet?
You know what?
Or are people just nervous about it? They're like, yo, we're not even gonna.
I think Future's whole thing is like, it's not about him shooting you, it's just he has people.
That will.
Yeah.
So I'll never break the law again. My man will shoot you. Spoken by the wise one, the average rapper at best, Jay-Z.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right. Jay-Z, who we're going to have to eat after we kill him on the guillotine. Him and Beyonce, sorry. They're billionaires.
It's like, yo, you're billionaires. I'm sorry.
Listen,
You know who else is a fucking billionaire? Fucking Kylie Jenner.
yeah.
And like finesse, like at least Hov is like, you hustled, you went through struggle, you was in Camden serving crows. That's like the lowest of the low. I feel like if anybody deserves to be a billionaire, it's him. Kylie Jenner, dog.
No one deserves to be a billionaire.
No one deserves to be a billionaire, but like it is what it is. This is the world we live in, and
I mean,
you know what I'm saying?
listen.
Unless
If
you
you
know what I'm
have
saying?
that much money and you're, allowing other people to be homeless and shit like that, you're kind of a piece of shit. Like, and because they have enough money that they could literally like fix the problems with Flint's water and shit like that, and it wouldn't even affect it. It's like if someone asked you for $15,
True.
you could do it, and it would not even affect your bank account.
Yo, I gave no, that's true. That's true. Because, well, you know what it is? Some people have that mindset because they come from humble beginnings. And then, like, some people don't because it's like, if you're born with a silver spoon, like a Donald Trump type nigga, like, you're born with a silver spoon in your mouth and you don't, like, you're in your I'm rich bubble and you don't even care about that type of shit.
Yeah, I can't wait.
It's fucking terrible.
Can't wait to reach that shit. Can't wait. I'll buy the Bronx and I'll kick all of y'all out. And I'll make a big gate around it, and it's just me, Mac, and Charlie in there.
A moat.
Okay.
You get obsessed with a moat like Trump? Mm-hmm. Like, y'all need a moat with pit bulls.
I'm going to live...
Aquatic pit bulls.
I'm going to make a big pallet. Oh, I'm going to live inside the Kingsbridge Armory. I'm going to turn it into...
Oh, shit!
A big mega mansion. And every morning, I'm at the top of Fordham Road. I'm going to go, hello, brokies!
Yo, down the hill and shit.
I'm going to turn Co-op City into a sneaker room. I'm going to put one pair of sneakers in each apartment in Co-op City.
Each section?
I'll be like, you got to move. My Air Force One is going in here.
Yo, this is Section 1 is Air Force One section.
Section 5 is Phone Positive
City. You know what I'm
City.
saying? You know what I mean?
Okay.
Because it's the gooniest section.
Okay. Sorry. Oh, you lived for 30 years? Sorry, you got to go. Where my Jordan 4 supposed to live? Okay. Yes, I'll put the breads on the third floor in 3C. And put the you know what? I'm feeling put some Adidas in here too.
Yeah, why not? Okay. Who cares?
Yeah. Take all the Pumas and put them in Bay Plaza. Like people were eating food in Red Lobster, my goons just like take their place. Like, get the fuck out of here.
Get out of here. What the fuck are you doing?
To the sneaker shop now.
Bagel Cafe is just like your breakfast spot.
I just got like mad Italians freeing the lobsters in the front. Like, yeah, get out of here. Go be free. Go to Mattress World or whatever.
Yeah, get out of here. Go beat it. You fucking fuzz. Yo, too many problematic Italian slang words.
Like, yeah, there's rallies. Yeah, shut down.
Yeah, it's over. It's over.
Done. Co-op City?
Yeah.
No op city.
No, yeah. Yeah, no ops. All right?
No ops. It's done.
Beat it. You like your kneecaps? All right, take a hike, pal.
Hey, I'm in Section 2. Hey, Cappy.
Go fly a
Hey,
kite.
Cappies. Yeah. You've been here, what, 40 years? Shut your fucking bodega down. Get the fuck out of here. This is where Jesus keeps his shoelaces now. You get it? You dig? Yeah. Beat it.
Learn to know.
Shout to Co-op City.
Shout to
and
Co-op.
whoever just made no attempt to give it a good name. That person had like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And then on Sunday night before the Monday morning meeting,
They could have named it after somebody or something. Like
They could have named
like,
it Coochie Coo.
You know what I'm saying?
Coop.
Atlantis.
Cook.
You know what I mean?
What if they were like Cook City?
You know? Marsh Gardens. Anything, dog. Like,
anything.
Nah, Co-op City.
And then like Bay Plaza. Nigga, that's not a bay. That ain't a bay. I propose we change it from Bay Plaza, BAY, to BAE.
Yeah.
Because it's the most romantic spot.
Oh,
to
yeah.
take. If you were dating a girl that wears white leggings and black ballerina flats on a good formal date.
Yup.
You know what I'm saying? Show her some respect. Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Because y'all got 3 kids, but y'all not together. I love it. I love the energy.
I've been turning this around in my head for a while. Is Chinese slippers problematic? Is that phrase problematic? And if so, what do we call them?
Well, you could be like more like, well, you can't even call them Chinese slippers because like it used to be you only got them from like the Chinese store, but you could get them anywhere now. So you just call them like cheap slippers or whatever.
Damn, because it's so specific.
I personally call them the Oriental slippers, and you know what? 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 I'm 65.
What do you want me to do?
Listen.
This is my generation.
I'm trying. Listen, the more you push back, the more you're just making me racist. Okay? All right? Listen, I accepted your husband. He's black. He's Black-African. I got little Malcolm, another Black Panther thing.
Yeah.
Like, Ma, he doesn't want another Black Panther.
You know what hurts me the most?
Oh,
my name is Francis Carmine Capone. I wanted my first grandson to bear my name in some way, shape, or form. All right? And now I got little fucking Malcolm Muhammad running around here. Malcolm fucking Muhammad. Can you believe it?
I'm sorry. I mean, I wish I could have given you a East 180, get down from there! This belt's about to go express to your ass, boy! Next stop, Town.
Yo, I read the wild explosive moment. Apparently, Guy Fieri stole donkey sauce from somebody, and it's just like an aioli, and he called it donkey sauce because he thought the word aioli was too fancy for Midwesterners. That is a total departure from what we were talking about.
Think about this. Yeah, it is, but it's a good departure. Because think about it. He wasn't able to rebrand aioli. Oof. Who could possibly rebrand aioli? Yo, what's up? The Bronx Boys. You know, it's gonna be like. So it's gonna be like reading the menu. They'll be like, I'm gonna have the. Let me get the burger. And the person could be like, Do you want this special? Do you want us to make it special?
Yeah.
And they'll be like,
what's the special sauce?
Just yes or no. You know, I feel a little. It's my birthday. Like, hey, honey, it's your birthday. Go for it.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Great. And then it comes like, hey, yo, Lee. We just come out like my text is like, yo, what's good? Hey, fuck it up. Go, best friend. Now we got the aioli and the wash squirt going squirt in the nigga's mouth like oh yeah, chicken ma, ice come in. I know you thirsty. And we're like, his kids are here. This looks like bukkake.
What dude pop out there? Yo, this looks like bukkake. And my was like, what's that?
I gotta Google that later.
Don't.
Don't be an aioli dodger.
Oh no. Yo.
Like trying to eat. We do a BTS interview with him. I was like,
just mad aioli on his face. He's like, yeah, I had a great time. It was fun. I like to perform with them.
Like, what do you do when you're not like performing?
Well, I like to do macrame. It's like one of my things. Like since I was young. Ooh, cum stings. Hit it!
Shout out to me not even starting the timer on this episode because niggas is wildin'. We're the opposite of children because you know how children get better at the end of the year because Santa's watching. Nah, I'm like, yo, Santa suck my dick.
Fuck you,
Santa.
I know you lie. I
got money. I'll buy my own gifts.
You a lie.
We so bad. Santa gonna come to us like, yo, brother, you got a second?
Let me sit down with you.
Yo.
As a matter of fact, I'm going to go around your crib. I'm going to collect some things.
You've been wildin'.
Because you owe.
You've been wildin'.
Yeah, you in the red, nigga. And I ain't talking about the holidays.
Imagine Santa start extorting you and shit. They'd be like, ho, 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 nigga. Why my envelope light?
Yeah, huh? No cookies?
That's our movie. We getting extorted by Santa and we end up killing him. And then like everyone's like, what happens to Christmas? And we're like, oh shit.
Oh shit, we gotta take over Christmas.
I ain't taking over shit. If we have to take over Christmas, every toy that the elves make, I'm putting on eBay. Fuck y'all kids.
Fuck y'all.
Also the whole thing of
this is right, wooden train in parentheses on the shit. Like,
no
yo, that's $8,000.
Wait, an elf made a Birkin bag? An elf made an Xbox?
Come on.
We're not all playing with wooden toys.
Stop that.
Stop the lies to your kids.
So he definitely don't live in the North Pole.
So basically I'm saying Santa is Chinese. It's from, what is it, Alibaba? That search into this shit?
Baby, so like, I was about to be like, yo, Santa lives in Japan because that nigga's making mad Nintendo Switches.
Ooh.
Yo, no.
I love how Santa has a list that's like nice, naughty, and for us it's just like canceled.
Y'all niggas.
Canceled. Yeah, them niggas can't.
These two niggas.
Listen, the Bronx has a different Santa than the rest of everyone else. Our Santa's just in a red Nike tech suit with red Timbs. They got the wild blunt on top of Mitchell Projects. Like, gotta do this shit again, nigga.
Damn, yo.
Nigga, and my
It's like
PO,
that.
he's like, my PO's stressing the
Yo.
Santa got all his shit in a JanSport.
Fuck, yo. Yo, I gotta hit my PO at 8, and stop. How much?
Nigga smoking the wild Newport Short, like,
niggas want me to hit come on, dog. Kazakhstan?
dog.
In an hour? How the fuck I'm supposed to do that? Yo, the non-bus ain't
the
even
Bronx,
running right now.
The Bronx Santa only does the Bronx, but he does it by bus.
He's like, yo,
Could you move? Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I got a big sack.
Yo. Excuse me. Yo, this is the
wrong with
last
y'all?
stop. This is the last stop. Why y'all sitting around? Trying to get off this
back
shit.
door.
Yo, come
Back
on.
door. I got a big stack of gifts here.
Yo,
Come on,
man.
The fuck?
Yo, matter of fact, I had one for you, but I'm gonna go to your crib later. Oh, you want the shit now?
Yo, hurry up. I only got an hour left on my Metro card transfer.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, Rudolph knows his dumb red, bro. That nigga, he caught before
Bronx
he got
Santa's
here.
mad drunk. He come in the lobby, just hit all the buttons. Like,
Somebody
yeah, I'm the super. Let me in.
Yeah,
Super,
yeah.
super. UPS, let me in.
Yo, UPS, yo, pizza, chino.
Bronx super. He clearly lives in Riverdale. Like,
Yo, yeah.
this is like Wave Hill.
Nigga, so wait, I remember going to a fucking field trip there once. Like, it was like, and motherfuckers thought it was another country. Like,
Riverdale seems like another country when you grew up on the other side of the
I
Bronx.
was like, are we in Connecticut?
I was like, how long have you been driving? I said, do we have to use our passports?
Yo,
Wow.
I was some next shit.
Niggas like, we're on the other side of the Van Cortlandt Parkway. I was like,
What? There's another side?
this is crazy. I thought the other side was California. They were like, no, that's not.
No, sir, no, yeah,
I
no.
was like, damn, you from the Bronx for real.
There's like a lot of stuff in between. Yeah, sorry.
Shout out to Van Cortlandt because they have this big. People think you can walk directly across Van Cortlandt. And there's a huge fucking lake in the middle of it, and you will die.
Yeah, you die. And don't try to ford the river on some Oregon Trail shit. You will perish. Straight cash. Nigga trying to swim. Yeah, yo, that shit is. There's definitely at least 3 dead motherfuckers in that shit.
Yeah, that shit's right by the golf
And they used to
course.
do the fucking Manhattan Public Access used to do this wild show where they used to like sacrifice rabbits out there and shit. That shit was crazy. A wild party.
Well, I mean, they need to go back. New York was better back in the day when people used to. Back in the day, I'm not a kid anymore. But back, we got to go back to sacrificing animals. So just
public
go,
parks.
just go out there and take your neighbor's dog and kill it.
Yo, I don't even know your name, but yo, you kind of big and you look kind of, you know what I'm saying, like feisty. So I ain't even fuck with you, my G.
Just do it and then be like, DJ said to do it. And I'm like, I did not. What you talking about?
Yo,
Oh, shout out to England. You know what I'm saying?
y'all don't got no health care. Y'all don't got no health care. I'm like shorty on the camera and fucking stay. I burned you. You mad?
Y'all
You
really
mad?
elected Boris Johnson. So,
How you elect a motherfucker called Boris Johnson?
I mean, we were elected Donald Trump. But
Yeah, we did. Yeah, I can't talk
we can't
shit.
talk too much.
Well,
shit.
I didn't.
Well, your country did.
Yeah.
So,
yeah,
that's you.
Yeah.
It's you. So, you know, the world's ending. But at least you got this podcast. So that's kind of cool, right?
Yeah, enjoy it.
You know?
You know what I'm saying?
50-minute assist. It's like 3 of the greatest things ever made in the history of audio is Funkmaster Flex 60 Minutes of Funk Volume 2.
Oh, yeah, okay. Volume 2 was hard too. Volume 1 was my shit though, because I had the fucking Askinazi Sada X drink.
Oh, yeah, Money Hangover.
Yeah. Money is the sweetest.
What else? I don't know. I forgot. But also this podcast. So you good.
But yeah, Volume 2 was tough too, because I had the DMX freestyle over the Mobb Deep beat. Woo! That shit was hard.
Oh, yeah.
And the first Nas, like, I think it was it the first Nas diss? Where he rapped over Eye for an Eye? He said, oh shit, he said something about the king wearing a crown and shit. And he was obviously talking about Hov, because Hov was like, yo, I'm the king of New York at that time. Woo! When you listen to it now, you're like, oh. Back then, niggas had to break it down to you, like, yo, bar for bar. Now it's like, oh, that was very blatant. Now it's Eye for an Eye freestyle.
Okay.
He said some wild shit, but he was taking direct shots at Hov.
Oh, yeah. It's Taylor Swift's birthday, so shout out to her.
Shout out to her. You know
For
what
her
I'm
long
saying?
back.
You know what I mean? Yo, you snuck that in there like a motherfucker. That was that Bobby Valentine fake mustache. Like, yo.
Oh, it's her 30th birthday.
Oh, shit. Okay.
We've
Yo.
never met Taylor Swift. You would think we have ran into her by now.
By now, right? But she's ubiquitous.
No, she just don't. She don't be at like bistro, or she don't be chilling in like Mott Haven beer garden.
Yeah, nah. What does she do? I always wonder about people that are like super duper private. Because if I'm super duper private, you know what I'm doing. I'm in my crib, I'm smoking weed, I'm playing video games, I'm fucking around, playing with my kids. That's what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what these other people do. You know what I'm saying? I'm curious.
I'm curious.
Yep. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
What is Tay-Tay into?
She's probably just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Posting on Reddit and
Imagine Taylor Swift on Reddit.
Yeah.
Sailor Twift.
She's like, yo, I'm just kidding. She's 30. I wonder.
Sailor Twift, 1989.
I wonder if she wants to like do a rap album or something now. Because like her and Billie Eilish kind of have the same trajectory because they're both kind of like, I don't want to say industry plants, but industry plants. Yeah. And you know,
yeah, like yo, my pops put me on type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My pops took me up when I was younger.
Yeah, I mean.
So that's what they do, man.
The loud sound used to scare me. Matt Random. I just thought that shit. I couldn't remember the first part of the bar, so I just had to say that.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there.
Yeah. Shout out to Miss South Africa, won Miss Universe, right?
I don't watch pageants because that is a disrespect to women.
Okay.
Actually, no, I just watch pageants. Like,
yeah, no, I don't watch it.
I'm not in jail trying to beat my meat.
Yeah, no, me neither.
If I want to see women, I can see them on the street. Like,
yeah, it just floated across the
idea
tail.
of just me sitting alone in an apartment watching women parade themselves on TV and it's not a Pinot.
That's weird. That's very weird.
Porno is different.
Pinot's different. It's like, yo, there's a purpose to this. Like, I'm here to beat off.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? I'm here to make some beat stroking off early.
My meat.
Yeah.
Gonna beat this meat. Meat. You're gonna get beaten. Oh.
Yeah.
Make my apartment smell like Vienna sausages.
Ow.
And when I stroking off.
Yeah.
And then I start jerking off.
That's right, no nitrates.
Yeah.
When I beat my mate.
Beat that mates.
Ow.
Beat it like some pork and beans.
Wow.
Oh no, my porn is stuttering.
Oh shit. No. Yo, has that been happening to you lately?
Press refresh.
It's been happening
Press refresh, press reload on the Chromecast.
Yo, Spank Bang, step your game up, yo. Y'all shit's been skipping lately, B. Y'all shit used to run right through, B. 1080p, nigga. I got the fucking top of the line Wi-Fi.
And Spank Bang's like, yeah, why don't you pay for your fucking porn?
Yeah, right. Sorry, guys. I know. All
right.
First world problems.
First world problem.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all everyone out there that signed up to make OnlyFans, and y'all make lonely OnlyFans.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say anyone's name. There was a young lady the other day. She just fingered herself before in her Mercedes Benz and just like drove off. But she clearly was going to like Target, and she was like this. She was like pulled her pants down. I was like, all right, guys, see you next week. I was like,
wow.
I was like, I did not pay $5.99 a month for this. That's the new Bernie Sanders. He was like, I will pay for everyone's I'll pay for everyone's OnlyFans.
OnlyFans for everyone.
OnlyFans. OnlyFans.
OnlyFans for everyone.
We're gonna rename them OnlyFans to Every Fans.
Every Fans.
Everyone sees a fans.
Every fans, every star, every fan can make a personal connection. Thank you. That's what I want to bring to this country: equality and equity.
In theory, OnlyFans and GoFundMe, if they combine, they would solve the whole thing about everyone having no insurance.
Oh yeah.
But then that'd be sad because it'd be like, yo, my grandma died. Look at my titties.
Yeah.
I mean, you get more money.
Yeah. True.
Yeah.
Oh damn, my grandma died.
Shit.
I wasn't gonna pay $5, but to see those, they look kind of unappropriate. But you know what?
Yo, spread your shit over the coffin. I'm saying you do custom videos, right?
Yo, show your grandma titty no. Yo, I'm about to walk up the set.
Yo, pleasure yourself with a prayer card.
Nigga give the eulogy. This shit is erotica. No.
Nigga try to talk and just hit like the wild moan in the back and shit. You're like, yo,
the wild reggaeton moan, like,
yo, grandma was a great woman. She's a matriarch. She was a charger. Ma'am. Ma'am.
You know the fucking vibes.
Yo. Do you know the vibes?
You know the fucking vibes.
Do you remember the vibes?
Yo, shout out, this is very Bronx specific. Shout out to all my Bronx niggas that got freaky deaky in OT's funeral home or the adjacent area. You a freak. You a savage for real. You know what I'm saying? It was no. But you do be meeting shorties at wakes though. Not for nothing.
You said you what?
You meet shorties at wakes. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you said that before.
You know what I'm saying?
You said that before. That's you know.
It's semi-problematic, but you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes you meet them. Sometimes, you know.
Sometimes.
But I wouldn't want to. Yeah, nah. That's kind of a whack meat story. Like, yo, we met at a wake.
Do you remember the vibes when we fell in love?
Do you remember
You know
the
the fucking
vibe? Do you remember the vibes
when we first met, girl? That's like when you meet a baby and shit. You looking at it like, nigga, you got good vibes?
Okay.
Cause I'll leave you in this fucking hospital.
Nurse, what's his vibe? What's his vibrancy?
Well, he's a little negative. Like, leave him.
Leave him. Fuck it.
Fuck him.
I don't want him. Is that? Can I pick another one from the nursery?
Yeah, go in the bin. Just take whichever one you want.
All right, thank you. Can I
Bin
buy
full
you a
of
vibe meter?
babies.
Bin trillaload of babies.
Trillaload.
Trillaload.
Trillaload bibs. Trillaload bibs.
Yeah.
One babe. Two babe.
Yo,
three
three
babe.
babe.
Holla. 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 Holla.
Hello, hello. Big baby wine.
Niggas just juggling mad babies and shit. Don't give me small babe. Give me big baby wine. Just a big ass baby come through. Baby dancing like
dollar with a wet ass diaper.
Give me holla.
Wait.
Like mad calypso dancers like, dressed up with feathers, but dressed like babies
in diapers.
I'm on Instagram. I'm like, wow, this is weird. What's her name?
Yo.
What's number 3's name? The red bone. Her face looked familiar, but just wanted to confirm.
Just wanted to confirm.
I love that because like
I found her.
if you see like because I follow a festival account in Antigua. And they'll post a girl, and like the girl be like bad as fuck, and like everyone that's not from Antigua be like, "What's her name?"
I'm trying to hit her on WhatsApp.
They be like, "What's her name? Give her her name. We'll give her." And then someone's like, "Oh, that's Anita." You know, they're like not no at or nothing. They're like, "Oh, that's Anita. I went to school with her." I'm
Yeah.
like,
All right, cool.
cool.
Thanks. And you go, Anita, that at sexy Trini mommy went to school with.
Recipe Danny Aiello. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, yeah, Danny Ionel.
The pizzeria owner and do the right thing.
That's right.
Sal put some more Merinos on the wall. That's from Lin-Manuel's In the Heights.
Yeah.
He was like, whoa, my sister's dating a black guy.
Whoa, what's going on here?
Whoa, a black guy? Like, why? There's no Dominicans out there? Huh?
You know,
You can't find yourself a Dominican. And then he starts singing. He's like,
give me a light-skinned black guy at least. Come on. What the fuck? You know, give me a light-skinned black guy who speaks a little different language, a little something, you know.
he's like on top of Dykeman.
I can point it off.
At the Dykeman station, he's like, give me a little, give me a min. Let me faster find a Dominican. He's got a fedora. I'm like, this isn't as good as Hamilton, but we're going to sit through it.
I'm mad that as Dominicans, like, niggas are like entry-level black people for white people.
Barely. That's like, if... in order for you to think like Dominicans is black, that's like an expansion pack. That's like y'all like what? I'm like nah. What version of Sims are you playing?
My parents would be mad as fuck. They'd be like, "Papi, no speak English, pero black. No, espérate. No, why? No, don't tell me that."
That's when white people.
Too many white people call me black, for you not say no black. I know black.
White people be like, "What? Come on, I can't tell the difference. Y'all look the same." Jesus, I'm trying, but come on. I mean, look, I can't tell. Like,
you know what I knew?
Mero looks like DJ Envy. Charlemagne looks like Jesus. Like Jesus.
All you fucking island people.
Oh yeah, everywhere you go, it's Breakfast Club.
Oh shit, yo, fam, we was the first stop out the tunnel though. Like, we the Jackson Ave of colonialism.
Oh Lord, is there a new play coming to Broadway? Jackson Ave colonialism. These niggas trying to sell slaves and they got mad Nike tech suits on.
Yo, son, yo.
Yo, peep the realism. My life in prison. Like, oh shit.
Yo, I got some dudes I in prison. Peep the realism and the ism and the triangular prism. Word bond.
They're like, yo, could you do a play about the transatlantic slave migration?
But like,
I'm
boom
like,
bap?
Yeah, but like, what's the gist? And they're like, could you make it like real hip hop? I'm like, say less. I'm
oh shit, hip hop.
Yo, my nigga, they took it from Africa. Real hip hop. They put it in slave ships.
Yeah.
What's up?
In the other part.
Give me my freedom.
Shit was whack.
Check it, yo. Yo, I got you stuck on the slave ship. You know what? That's enough. But
I got you stuck on this shit.
You see the vibes.
You know what I'm
We could do something right there.
You know what I'm saying? Do
Education. Because when little kids be in like classrooms and they're like 1 + 1 is 1 and they teach you on the drums, like I could just do that. And they're like, yo, come preach about slavery.
Yo, living well. Yo, you know what I'm saying? We take a crash course or two real quick in the Broadway shit. You know what I'm saying? In the movie shit real quick. Bang, bing, bing, bing.
So I will come to your school. I will teach you about the trans-African migration experience using Mobb Deep songs, including Eye for an Eye, Shook Ones, Right Back at You,
know what I'm saying?
and Up North Trip.
Holla.
So you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, I got you, baby.
Also, temperatures lowering instead of temperatures rising.
Quiet Storm was about hurricanes that kill people on slave ships.
That's right. Just keep the third eye open. God damn.
Am I too woke? I have to get on a plane later today. I want to go to the TSA, but brother, your third eye's open.
Yo, sir, your third eye got a third eye.
Listen, the more you listen to this podcast, that's a side effect. The same way, you listen to Ozempic. #1 song right now. No. But the side effects, and one of the side effects of this podcast is, like any other orifice in your body, your third eye could open and dilate and it will never close.
That's right.
And you would just be, I'm just saying, it's just there open, just gaping. You know what I'm saying?
And you don't want
just wet and nasty in 720p.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Just like all the pink parts sticking out.
You know?
You don't want that.
You know?
Every time he's typing, I'm like, ANAL space. Oh no! GAPE, enter. No!
KEY. Ozempic. People with gotta add that to the soundboard.
You know what I'm saying?
Big Farm's gonna they're gonna give a song like 10 mil.
Yo.
They're gonna be like, yeah, we're done. I'm like, why do you have an Ozempic hat, shorts, and car?
Yo, Mero, why you got Ozempic tatted on your fucking throat? Cause them niggas give me $10 million.
Look at with the sticking out.
I'm like, nigga, I have Ozempic.
Niggas in the pantic, now we're on Ozempic. I'm like, what?
You know, we talk that pick talk.
You know what I'm saying? Please consult with your physician if you please let that stick talk.
My heart is healthy enough to fuck. It's healthy enough to fuck. Jersey House remix. Let's go.
Wait till we start working in like big farm shit.
Oh, it's a wrap. Oh, it's over.
I was like, you ever had dry eye?
Huh?
You know what? You living a good life if you go to the doctor because your eyes are dry.
Yo, for real.
Everyone else is like, yo, I got cancer.
Yo, I'm dying. I'm literally dying. I cannot get out of bed. I guess I'll go to the doctor now.
Sometimes my armpits tickle. Do you have something for that?
My feet sweat a lot.
Ow. My bottom toenail is not growing straight. It's like, what the f? It's like, is that what you use your healthcare
my
for?
Nigga, come on, stop.
Come on, my nigga. Come on.
Yo.
Listen. In my pinky, it's like a cricking noise.
Yeah.
Can I get surgery for that?
It clicks when I
Can I get a new surgery?
And I used to play softball.
I want the pinky Drea has.
Like literally. Can you remove her pinky and give it to me?
I do want the pinky Drea has.
Hey.
I wouldn't know. No, because I say that, and it's like, what if she DM me? I'm like, yeah, come to my apartment. And then she would sit on my couch while I smoke weed and play Modern Warfare. And she'd be mad tight. She'd be last year like, this nigga is a loser.
She'd be like, I thought we was going to go to the strip club and throw all his disposable income in there like a fucking bozo.
I was like, Ma, you're bugging. I was like, I'm going to the bodega. You want a beef patty?
I'm like, you're talking to the wrong one.
Wow.
I was like, ma'am, I drive an 05 Accord.
We just sitting there. She's like, we doing anything tonight? I'm like, shh. I don't know if I saw this Law and Order or not.
It's one with Stabler.
Wow.
I might have missed one of the classics.
These are good ones. There's a DiGiorno in the bottom of the fridge.
Yo, you want to heat up the oven?
Heat 2 of them up. Thanks.
Does DiGiorno have microwavable pizza?
Oh, you know it, baby.
They do?
But no, you're a scumbag if you microwave a DiGiorno.
Oh, man.
Microwaving DiGiorno is like spitting on a Mona Lisa. There's certain etiquette you have to do in order to raise it right. You have to put it in the oven and this is how DiGiorno makes sure you're not too high. Because it's not 20 minutes. It's 22 minutes.
Yeah.
That 22 minutes, even if you're drunk, you're like, yo, let me make a timer on my iPhone. And if you're on the phone, you pass down the couch like this, like,
oh
shit. Where am I? Why's it smoke? You be lost for like 3 days. You get the shit after you don't even be hungry. You're like, yo, oh shit, I almost burned my house down.
Son, yo, fam, I put a DiGiorno pizza in the oven one time. Nigga went to watch the Knicks game, passed out. Y'all woke up, the whole house is up in smoke, dog. I took that pizza out the oven, fam. That shit looked like a donut.
Yeah,
like the spare tire
shit
on the
just
fucking
burned up.
I was like, yeah.
Look like Count Chocolate came through like 1, 2, 3. Burn.
Yo. I was like, opening windows and shit. I was like, oh no.
We're so dumb. What the fuck does DiGiorno mean? Do you know any? Have you ever gone to school with Salvador DiGiorno?
Never.
Have there ever been a mafia boss
The
named
only thing I know
DiGiorno?
is Buongiorno. That means goodbye.
Buongiorno?
So
We
like,
gotta hold on to what we got. We better get some pizza whether we get or not.
we got each other and we're gonna fall asleep.
I got pepperoni.
Oh, we're halfway there.
Oh, cheese on bread. Yeah, so basically we want like Don Bonjovo. Bon Jovi? Bon
Jovi sounds like a great Italian restaurant. Like, yo, you fuck with Bon Jovi yet? They just opened, yo. They got a great executive chef.
Oh. George Afro's like, shut it down, but he's
Shut
like,
it down.
just like he's in Bon Jovi, so that's like the wild like hair back and the bandana. Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
Yo, Bon Jovi.
Sweet baby Jesus, do not.
Bon Jovi.
Oh no, oh no. Oh Lord. Well, as usual, this podcast, we want to remember to tell you guys to make sure you walk with Jesus Christ.
Yes.
And, you know.
Walking his light.
Walking his light, walking his love, his temptation, his redemption. He died for your sins. You know what I'm saying? Also, hit a Pizza Zoo when you get a chance.
Yeah. She was lit.
Remember, Jesus never got a chance to go to Pizza Zoo.
That's right.
Technically, Jesus, the Last Supper was the first Pizza Zoo.
Ooh.
Listen.
Open your third eye. You know what I'm saying?
Think about it.
Blow your mind, dog. Overstand. You know what I'm saying? She was the original turn up. You know what I'm saying?
Taking pictures with the Messiah.
Yo, we lit, yo.
Yeah.
It's like you're saying that, like body rolling and shit to controller, like with Jesus in the back, like, yo.
And Jesus like, I don't usually dance, but she's trying to make me look soft. And like,
Jesus like, blow smoke.
all the disciples holding his back, like, go Jesus, go Jesus. He's like, fuck it up.
Niggas daggering the shorty, like,
Are you wildin', Jesus? You wildin'.
Y'all can see your boner through the robe. You wildin'.
Niggas block your phones and shit. Like, stop. Show them, go see this. Go, Jesus.
Yo, that's Jesus Christ Superstar, the sequel, nigga.
You go.
He comes back in 2019.
Jesus Christ Hookah Star.
Hookah Star.
Yo, coming to Disney Plus. Our new service called Disney Uptown, and we only make stuff for Uptown people. They're like, wow, another show set in the Heights. Wow, who'd have thought? Paw Patrol in the Heights.
You can't triple par here. Stop.
You're a dog. Why the fuck are you talking to me?
Stop. You cannot triple par here, papi. You gotta move it.
Whose dog is this?
Move it, the counter.
Ma!
Hey,
Ma!
papi.
This
Hey,
dog trying to write me a ticket.
Hey, fuck
Ma,
out of
this
here.
dog trying to write me a ticket. Who the fuck is this dog?
Look, here's your ticket. There you go, your ticket. Take it. I put my paw in there. That's it. Vete, coño.
Oh, shit. I just got a call from the control room. They banned hookah at Uptown bars.
Yeah, that's sad.
No more hookah?
Sad.
What?
Sad. Mama Sushi still got hookah though, right? Yeah, that's last I heard was Mama Sushi's holding on.
Wow.
Mama Sushi's holding on. You know what I'm saying? Mama Sushi's holding on the fort. Mama Sushi's the Fort Apache of hookah.
Is Mama Sushi the Rosa Parks of hookah?
Straight up.
Wow.
It's hookah Stonewall.
Wow. I like to apologize. At one time we were allies. We clearly are no longer. Your man said hookah Stonewall.
I was trying to think of a very important moment in history
But not that important.
to juxtapose the two.
You could have been like the hookah 2003 blackout. The hookah transit strike. Now you just went right for the gusto. You went right for the buongiorno. Tommy used to work at the docks, eating pizza. He's down on his luck with flavor.
So he got a stuffed
Where's Victor?
crust.
This is the kind of drunk shit I think of at 3 a.m. Like, let's buy a pizza company.
Yo.
Fuck it.
Yo.
Mero, wake up. Mero.
Yo, what's up?
Yes, we're buying into pizza company.
Red Baron,
No. We're making them ourselves.
Oh shit!
I bought an oven.
Like industrial joint.
Yeah. So where do you want it?
Like in my crib.
Yeah. I knocked down the back wall of your house. So don't wake Heather up. But so I'm gonna have the guys put it in. We have to get 700 pizzas by tomorrow morning.
Look, the neighbor's power line. They got the power boxes over there. Just hook
Don't
everything
worry
up to
about that. They were acting wild, so I killed them. Saying we got to get this fucking pizzas going. So wake kids up. Like they gotta make the little strombolis or whatever the fuck it is.
Oh fuck, yo, you cooked up? Oh yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
The island coked up.
All right.
There's someone who ran to New Jersey from the Bronx at 4 a.m. gonna be coked up.
Okay. No, all right. Okay.
Yeah, I'm really thirsty. You have any rubbing alcohol? Matter of fact, you know what? I see a pond over there. I'm just gonna drink the water from there. Oh my God, these koi fish, they're so fresh.
Niggas eating this shit like Bear Grylls. Like, I'm like, sorry guys, sorry.
Tonight on Jersey 12, I'm like, don't cover me.
Sorry,
don't report me, bitch.
Sorry, that's my guy. It's Desus. He's cool.
Who wants to see a Little Mermaid remake in live action? I can show you the world.
He's not dangerous. He's fine.
This is where we get the koi pond. A whole new world.
It's good. He's putting on a show for you guys. Record this. This will be awesome. This will be worth a lot of money one day. Trust me.
Mero knows where Jimmy Hoffa's buried. Like,
You know the fucking vines?
Like, yo, I just checked on him last week. Nigga still stinks.
oh shit. Wow.
Yo, isn't it universally accepted that the mob did that?
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not we know the mob did that.
Like, they just didn't say like, yo, they did it. Like
The mob needs to start doing the same way when DJs make instrumentals and they make beats and they do a drop. The mob needs to do a drop.
yeah, like mafia music.
There you go.
Yeah, boy.
La Costa Nostra. Yo, whacked by Jenny Wise. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh shit. Okay.
Imagine you get pasta, you just hear like the wise guy music. Oh shit.
Oh, shit. Oh,
this
okay.
is
All right.
Murder me.
God
Oh,
damn.
shit.
Carmine Santorino. No.
You are listening to the #1 whacker on the tri-state area. It is my boss, School Vinny G. Vinny G. Ow. Vinny G is on the ones and twos and about to clap your ass. You're like, oh shit.
Where? What the fuck?
I wanna be the one Vinny G is a clapping.
Oh shit! No, not me. I do not want to be the one. You homie.
Oh shit! This goes out to table 4 because you about to get your brains blown out. You're like,
oh shit!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh shit! Y'all gotta go bathroom.
Give me the knife. Just give me the knife and pass the rose. Gonna bust up an Italian. That's right. A lot of people don't realize the whole thing about Jimmy Hoffa was like he was trying to protect Sean Paul.
Yeah,
and that's the whole thing. It started.
That's the sort
a
of the
war
whole
between
thing.
Italians and Jamaicans that we got to reshoot.
Yep. And it's wild because
About the shower posse protecting Jimmy Hoffa
Yep.
on City Island.
Yep, Shaggy was the only one that survived the whole thing, and he's so traumatized he never wants to talk about it.
Yeah, and when
But
they
we got it.
they had him in. He was all bullet wound. They was like, "Tell us who did it."
Yeah, he's like,
Was it you?
no,
Was it you?
It wasn't me.
People don't know.
Yeah,
don't know.
Nah, they don't know.
Who are we gonna get to play Shaggy?
Shaggy,
Probably Shaggy. Yeah. Yeah. He's like, I'll take it.
take it. He's like, I'm currently playing like a jet ski rental guy on Disney Plus. So
That's cool.
like, I'm with it.
I can't wait. We're gonna have like the wild shootout, me and you and Shaggy at fucking Lobster Box on City Island.
Just gonna be 6 hours long, like the Irishman.
Some little kid gonna come running like, boss man, they're coming. The Italians coming.
No.
You see like a Cadillac. They're stuck in City Island traffic, so it takes them 2 hours to get from the bridge. Just like,
We just get up from the table and wipe your mouth like Lennox and shit. Like, yo,
more rules. They're free, right? More rules.
more rules.
Shit. Who wants to bumper clock Ross with the wickedest done data on City Island?
No. Everybody wants, nobody want dead.
You want for dead? I run City. Actually, no, you don't run City Island, pal. I run City Island. I'm in charge of the Sea Life Museum.
That's right, bro.
Yeah, tell them.
Yeah.
Tell them to pick an order.
Yeah.
Sea Life Museum, my guy that runs the ice cream shack,
Yeah.
and then the guy that runs the bait shop at the
That's
end.
right. That's the
okay?
pecking order, all right? Don't
All right?
fuck it up. All
Think
right?
a black person running City
We've
Island.
been
Get the fuck
doing
out of
this.
here.
We've been doing
We've
this.
been doing this.
Can you even swim, pal?
Look at my Throwback
How about that?
Thursday. Hashtag you wasn't there.
Huh?
And you wasn't there when Cal and Sal, he caught the big grouper.
Yeah.
That was a big day.
That was a big day for us.
That was a big day.
Yeah. We caught a swordfish once in the Long Island Sound. It was unheard of.
That was so wild. I got
unheard of.
so drunk I went home and went down on my wife. Haven't
was
done that
nuts.
5 times in 30 years.
Nuts.
Oh my God.
I'm surprised you're admitting it on it.
I mean, if I can eat fillet of fish, I can eat fillet of Beth.
That's right.
You know what I
Hey,
mean?
model.
You know what it is? And on that note, we're not going to top that. It's been episode 183.
That's right. Hold that.
How are we still doing this?
Yo, they letting us shout the cash out.
Shout out to Cash App, man. Shout out to Showtime. Shout out to David Nevis. I see you at Christmas
dang.
party. You a real nigga. You was hanging with the real niggas.
You know what I'm saying?
That's right. How many other people? Oh, shit.
They go to Ashley.
See, we started slandering with David Nevis. He shot at us.
He's here. Shut the fuck up
Shut
right
the
now.
fuck up. Keep my name out your mouth.
Look at the Buffalo Wild Wings playing like, yo, chill.
He's like, y'all got shooters on deck. Yo, Nevis, we don't have no smoke.
Yo, that's it. No problems. We don't have no
Okay.
problems.
He be wild. Remember at the Christmas party, he was like, yo, what if I go shoot that nigga? I was like, relax,
Yo, chill.
I was like, you got too
dog.
much going on.
Come on, son. You just got promoted.
But he was like, nah, it's like, Joe, you say, yo, niggas want to test you when your gun goes warm. And I was like, it's true.
That's true.
But I was like, you,
at the same time, like, you
I'm
made,
like,
you
upload.
You
know what I'm
made
saying?
man, dog.
I was like,
You
yo,
good.
we not in the garage smoking no more, bro.
Nah,
guy.
fam. You
like,
up there, dog. You a boss.
People forget the rap group we had. It was Desus, Mero, and Nevis. What was it? It was a DNM?
Yeah.
DNM. Think about it. Mm-hmm. People were like, yo, how did Desus and Mero come to Showtime?
Yeah.
DNM.
Then we had to change it to the ampersand.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
So what we're saying is David Nevis was the original Bodega Boys.
Facts.
We had to destroy all the episodes that had him, but he was
Yep.
wilding.
He was wilding,
He was saying
wilding.
wild problematic stuff. He was saying, yo, I was just like, wow.
Yo, he's off the chain.
Remember when he was like that George Soros paid for the Big Dipper?
Yo, that was wild.
I was like,
Yo,
but
that
then he
was
went out for
bugged
like 40 hours about
Yeah,
it. Like, yo.
he was like, yo.
He changed my mind.
He was like, yo, man. He's like, remember that time he was like an hour and a half late? We were like, yo, what the fuck happened? He's like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Had to put that work in. You know what I'm saying?
And he had like
niggas owe
bloody
money.
gloves and stuff.
Yeah, I was like, yo, this nigga's wildin'.
Remember time we was in the barbershop and he was getting the wild low Caesar and then he was just like, yo, the world is a trapezoid.
Yup.
I was like, wow.
I was like, yo, you be knowing.
Yes, your boy Jesus Christ, aka Young Chipotle, aka your pockets stay fat like Tyrio, aka your pockets stay fat like, here we go. Some of that might know you, but it's Young J Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's. With a Rondo, get that Perry sauce, yeah.
Yeah, it's delicious.
All right, eat that chicken and eat that chicken, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
1994 en Nueva York.
Shout
Mikhail going
out.
off the Juve boss. MC the Cocoon P pulling up for 40 with Shorty. AKA don't talk to me in the Uber pool. Cause I don't know you. And I'm building up Uber points so I can get hot wings. Ow. That's all you can do with Uber points. You know I think in the future we're gonna have to trade Uber points for medical expenses.
Oh yeah.
So think about it. Save your Uber points.
Stack them. Don't waste them on wings.
Okay, you can
stack them shits.
Get a baby delivered that you want to eat or keep. You know, it's whatever. You know, who am I to judge? In the near future, babies are gonna. I think humanity's gonna fall to the point people are gonna eat people's babies.
Oh shit!
You think that's true?
I mean,
would you be upset if someone ate one of your kids?
Yeah, I'd be like, yo, you ain't my fucking kid, nigga. I put mad money into that shit, bro. Like,
yeah, we gotta go on Judge Judy.
Yeah. Like, yo, what the fuck?
Come with mad glasses and I've come with papers. I'm like, Your Honor, she ate his kids. She ate his children.
Like,
she's like, why are you even here? Is it your kids? Sit down. And I'm like, oh, I love your show.
Yo, this motherfucker ate my kids, bro. Like, what the fuck?
I'm representing my client. She says that the kids were, they were Dominican Jews and they were delicious.
I bet, but like, still, you ate my motherfucking kids. Like, I paid mad money to, like, you know.
Yeah.
Like, I just bought them these new Jordans.
Your
like,
Honor.
Literally just now.
I mean, I don't mean to like victim shame, but like, who told these kids to be so flavorful?
I mean, like
first of all, they were half unleavened bread, half hookah.
Like,
so, you know, it was just delicious.
Like, they had the sazon, they had the adobo, you know what I'm saying? They had the flavor, you know what I'm saying? Like, they had everything, you know what I'm saying? So it makes sense. But, like, at the same time,
we like to countersue because after she abducted and ate the child, we were not provided with a garlic sauce to spread on the child to enjoy the flavor.
Wow, that's
we're suing you for $50 million.
Wow, that's
like,
very
if you're
ballsy.
gonna put your delicious children out there, please provide them with garlic sauce.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna challenge you to a physical challenge.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? That's what we do here in People's Court, right?
Yeah, no, that's I think that's American Gladiators.
All right, so I'm a counter sue your suit. You know what I'm saying? Because boom, check it out. My kid, you know what I'm saying? I just paid the nigga tuition for the whole year. You know what I'm saying? The whole year. So now, like, you owe me at least, you know what I'm saying, a couple racks.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
You know what I'm saying?
Judge Pio is talking, please.
Oh, wow. Pio, you gonna do me like that? Loco, do it mío? ¿Qué fue?
I'd like to have that gibberish stricken from the record. He's talking in rice and
Loco,
beans.
suelta eso, manín. Yo suelta lo tuyo, manín. You gonna let this motherfucker, yo.
Can I get a Rosetta Stone to the courtroom?
Come on, yo. Loco.
Excuse me. He's
Loco.
talking in King Caridad. Officer down.
Loco, no
Officer down.
Sin la vaina, loco. ¿Qué pasó?
Someone released his secret family.
Pues yo no sé. Not guilty.
This is a civil court. This is about money. It's not about.
Oh well, yeah. So like, nah, nigga, nah. I'm not like, I don't owe you no money. What the fuck? You ate my kid. You ate my kid, dog.
I rule in favor of the lady ate your kids. I'm sorry.
You know the fucking vibes.
Damn.
Gotta go.
Oh, damn. I do know the vibes.
That's the
damn.
vibes.
Fuck.
Now niggas got an interview outside the court. Like, yo, you fucking lost. You owe like mad fucking money. How do you fucking feel? Now that you were just embarrassed on court, and now you gotta pay mad money, and now niggas know your real name, and they're gonna Google your real government name, and they're gonna probably harass you on Twitter, and you owe mad fucking money. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? How does it feel?
I mean, listen. If I would have known the vibes were admissible in court, I wouldn't even came.
Okay, thanks for coming. Now, next plaintiff. His dog is an Elvis impersonator, and her dildo looked like a hound dog. And up next, we're gonna find out what's going on in the bluegrass state. I hate to sit there. You're like, I should really get a job. I woke up at 8 and I've been watching TV since 8.
I've seen 3 of these in a row.
You know you are popped if you rewind People's Court.
Yo,
because you missed a detail. Yo. Like everyone else is like, I'll figure it out. It's not that deep. But you're like, nah, take that shit back to the beginning.
Nah. Yo, the defendant looked like Sugar Free, so I'm gonna have to know everything.
Wait, they roommates? Also, shout out to all my black people watching Joe Mathis. Like, wait. Oh, those two black women are together. Oh, it's different. Like, nah, nigga. They both got short haircuts. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah.
They both got the fat front plus bun up.
Hit that problematic light.
They got the fat front bun up with the pussy fat.
Somebody suck that baby dick. Somebody suck that baby dick.
Yo. The original plus one God plus was Jamaica first son. This Russian Jamaican Jew. Happy Hanukkah to y'all. Be sure to find a gift in the trash that someone else has bought. Save some money. Savings, baby, savings. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Paz goes to Mufasa. Young Chacuni at the corner, A.K. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees.
Papi, está muy lindo.
Oh.
Yeah, in the high, coming out now, papi. Tú estás ahí. That's you right there. You was in the movie, papi.
What did he say?
He said that you was the best in the world, papi. That you throw limon and then you sniff the cocaína como un
Well,
vacuum cleaner.
I used to do a thing, in sex.
Yeah.
My finishing move, I'd be like, oh no, it's time for lemon.
Yeah.
I squirt in her eye, and she's like,
Yeah.
it hurts. And I'd be like, oh.
They say you think longer than a hookah hose, papi.
There you go. You know what? I used to squirt like high five.
Ah,
Yeah,
nice.
people don't know. Taste the rainbow.
Una buena bien, papi.
3 Phone Jones. These ain't mocking us. J Chuckle, Stanley Huffs. Demon Dr. Bondo's label, Dilute. And the crowd's like, one more time.
One more time.
Dilute! Dr. Trapio. I'm not lying. If Dr. Bondo's went and performed live, I'd show up.
Yo.
Like Dr. Bondo's and FKA Twigs just dancing around on stage, or she's chopping his bottles with swords and shit. I'm like, yo, this shit's lit.
Dr. Bounders and the Counting Crows.
He's got the wild plastic cover in the front row.
Yo.
I got Dr. Bondo's in my eye.
Ah!
They're like, it cured the glaucoma. I'm like,
Oh, shit. Yeah, it did.
oh wow,
Wow, you
now.
wasn't lying. Wow. Shit.
There you go. I mean, I don't want to be blasphemous, but Dr. Bonner's is the blood of Christ. Daiana the champion, Mr. 2-4P, crack my Pinot blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Woola, aka this is the Washed FM. Up next, we got a classic right here. Y'all know this?
Hit him with the heat.
It's party time.
Oh, shit. Ready. Come on. Yeah. Aha. Oh, wait. By Storm Entertainment. Woo.
Wow.
Yeah.
A little Tracy Lee.
Let the hook rock. Let's go. Who go in every, who blow in every, with my crew.
You know we get down.
You know we get down. Whoa.
Wow. That's how, back in the day, back in 1997, that was the biggest song ever.
Also, you know when niggas from the 90s, if they use the phrase French connection in any one of their verses,
That means they was getting money.
yo, we sipping on
getting
French
that-
connection.
They was getting that Broadway money.
You know what I'm saying?
They was getting that money exchange money.
Nah, you know
Shout
what
to
I'm saying?
them. You know what I'm saying? That's back when you get fresh. Go to Atrium.
Yeah.
Get a fresh outfit.
Get
Yeah. Shout out to all my old scammers. Iceberg sweater with a Snoopy on it.
God
Woo! That's one of my greatest moments. When they wouldn't let me into they wouldn't let me into 40/40 because I had on a T-shirt, and I was like, excuse me, it's Evisu.
Sir.
And then to make it worse, like Memphis Bleak ran past me and ran inside. And I think he had like a blooming onion. But I was like, you know, it's cool.
It's all good.
It's all right.
Niggas in a Rockaway for a little bit. It's all right.
MEMPHIS Bleak. No need to dress warm. I play plenty of heat. Shout out to Memphis Bleak. Yo, the Curry Goat, the Spice, the Jamal Hasper, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You can't contain. The Human Memory, what's the job? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Bud, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Cassimi, Vladimir Booth, and the Human World is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Pavich, Morris says with your chestnut, Muhammad Gambi. Is that Uncle Victor? Muhammad Gambi, not Mega People, I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
It's big, it's green, and it got seeds.
Yeah, hold that.
I just described Shrek's dick. Do you think Shrek could get bitches on Tinder?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
You'd be like, yo, I'm Shrek, but I'm rich.
But okay, if the movie didn't happen, and Shrek,
if the movie didn't happen?
Shrek was just like an NYU student with
Wow.
like a little some pimples.
Ooh.
I grew up in a swamp.
Maybe.
What character, if they were a college student, definitely gets pussy?
Oh, the little fake prince.
For Shrek?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is an NYU student.
Yeah, that's
damn.
like, that is literally an NYU student.
Yeah, he's a legacy.
Yeah, straight up.
Wow.
Yeah, my grandfather went here and my father went here.
Yeah.
So fuck you.
Yeah.
I'm smoking pot in my dorm.
And the teacher's like, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, absolutely. Sorry.
You're right.
Sorry.
All right, the juice of the press, but your boy never is, never press. That baby's on the floor and his face is blue, and I'm like, we can work this out.
Come on, man.
Come on, let's just figure this out. Think about it.
Take it easy.
Take a breath.
Come on.
All right.
Count to 5.
Take it easy. I am the art, damn it. I died for this. The good news, no more couple news. The Prince of Blicker, the Fashion Over, Casting Over. We meant cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change. Give me.
What you need?
Big money wine.
You know what I'm saying?
So we also, in honor of Brexit,
big money medical expenses.
Pence, 5 pence, 10 pence, pound. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine.
The remix.
Wait a minute. They also use euros right now. So it's Euro, 5 euro,
Hey.
10 euro, big euro. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. I think we've covered all our bases.
Yes, we have.
Right? What money do they use in DR? The dollar?
Pesos.
Pesos?
You know what I'm saying?
Peso? 5 peso? 10 peso? Dollar? Forget the small change. Dímelo. Give me que lo que.
Let's go.
So for every radio station out there, they can cut it for whichever one they need.
Straight up.
There you go.
Yo, if
For
you
the
got
traffic report.
if you got colorful money, we got you.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
No, after my salute is Dipset. Mr. Saka catch you at square one, top left, man says what?
Yo, Marv. Don't cheese me, bro.
Yo, they robbed my mother for syrup.
Bro.
Arizona, holy cow. Mr. South Punk, all I do is count checks and jerk off. And when I say jerk off, I mean jerk off like light a candle, turn the lights off. I might roll a blunt. I might smoke a beer. And I'm putting you as 1040. It's going to be on the Chromecast. You know what I mean? I might show enough respect to actually Google the girl and see like what she's up to. And maybe if she enjoys reading and maybe she's just like, you know, visiting my city.
Damn.
And maybe I might send her an email, but she has a Yahoo address. And like, that's a sign that she might get me robbed. So I got to chill. Yo, we got OJ we got OJ purple stuff soda, and it's me, Sunny D, Top of Magara. Hey, I'm Sunny D. Why didn't you drink me last night?
I mean, they told me to drink more water because I'm type 2 diabetes.
I've been in the fridge for 30 days. No one's been drinking me. I am Sunny D.
I have type 2 diabetes. I'm diabetic.
Yeah, you know the thing about diabetes, if you don't take care of it, you can die. But the thing about it's like Sunny D, if you don't take care of Sunny D, you can also die.
Okay.
It's me. One day I'll get out this fridge. One day, you go in there, he has like all your fruits in a pentagram. Like, yo, do Sunny D, do Sunny D, Sunny D, Sunny D. Yo, but then he's like talking, he's like,
That's when the blessings come in. Blessings come in.
Sunny D's trying to kill my family.
He's gone mad. He's gone mad.
David Yerman. These expensive. These is red bottoms. These is bloody shoes.
That's right.
So Hakeem, no, Andrew. Cool. I could kill you. Maybe I don't kill you.
Maybe I don't.
Maybe I'll just kill you with fashion.
Yeah.
Meow. Take that. Meow. AKA the Junior Energy God. Junior.
Yo.
Come sit down, palm me
That's
charger.
right. That's right. One big thing.
Get a little bit of this wireless charging.
Yo. Nah, plug in.
Get a little of my digital herpes. Call me Petco because I got you a bitch on freeze.
Ooh.
That's right.
Straight up.
Topic of gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to 11791.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you see the fucking Rangers
That's right.
yesterday?
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah, smell my finger.
Yeah.
Smell my finger.
Yeah.
I finger fucked Jessica in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
shit, you too?
Yeah. Oh, you too, bro?
Nice.
Eskimo bros. Yeah.
Fucking
Fuck that. Yeah. Let's go beat up some black kids with our lacrosse nets.
Let's
Fuck
do
that.
it, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking awesome.
Also, we gotta go over to, we gotta go to Hempstead and get weed. But so let's stop saying the N-word.
Yeah. Let's chill.
Okay, Grandpa Joe, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket.
No.
Because he's a cat, he'll cut you the fuck up.
That's right.
Your man, Dead ID this morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if some of these babies in this neonatal unit went missing.
Is that so? Huh?
Under my shirt, it's like, well, hey, Chipotle, gotta go.
Yeah. My stomach.
Trade skidoo. Mr. Shopping at Street Easy Bad Breeds like I'm easy. Please believe me. And shout out to everyone out there that does not know what Street Easy is. I was not aware it is only available in the tri-state area. So it's basically an app for buying property in New York City.
It's Zillow.
It's not Zillow because you can do Zillow anywhere. Street Easy is like, yo, you wanna live in New York, New Jersey, or maybe Philly? Yeah,
I got you.
maybe. You're like, what about Connecticut? I ain't say Connecticut, nigga. Pointing at you like the cat at the table, like, you did Connecticut. And you're like, I didn't say Connecticut. I said New Haven. The black Asian addict will crack your back like a. Oh, let me rephrase that. Let me say that smoothly. All right. The black Asian addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craft addict, Mr. La Marina, Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor. The sheep mask killer, Noah Beal. The black Jack Morris of Port Morris, young KPI. Takes the best picture test. Things on your chest you need to confess. I will deliver. You know I'm a forgiver. Reach out and touch base. It's your own personal Jesus.
Straight up.
AKA Problematic Bay.
Yeah.
Remember, it's not a secret family if you use carbon monoxide.
Facts. You know what I'm saying? But you gotta have the detector, but the battery gotta be old. You know what I'm saying? Think ahead. It's your boy Mero, aka the Human Durag, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Got It, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking show dog and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I do not. You know what I'm saying? Aka I know fucking baby, my nigga, I fucking man. Aka no need to check the motherfucking guest list. I am the guest list. I play graffiti feet in the motherfucking Heights movie, nigga. Yo, hey, don't fucking touch me, nigga. You call me big man one more time, I'm shooting this shit the fuck up. Aka CC Dad Bathia, aka Jason Vatic. I'll ghost on you, shorty. Find out who shot me in the season finale. AKA Tiger Backwoods, I'll smoke a 3 grand blunt and hit you know what I'm saying? Hit you with this back 9, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? AKA getting to the money and smoke, it's your boy Gomez Schmeck. You know what I'm saying? AKA all my kids won SPs and they ain't even playing sports this year because I'm a motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA bitch smack me.
Check the birth certificate.
AKA Diego Merodana. AKA dick in your baby tumble. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. But I've changed my ways. Now it is about your agency, my queen. Thank you. AKA David Trisdale. Pow, take that for data. If you guys know any coaching openings, you know what I'm saying, up to high school level, up to the NBA, I'm available. You know what I'm saying? Take that for data. You know what I'm saying? AKA Butler Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip cup. AKA the Dominican Dykeman Daddy, AKA motherfucking swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you for the manager when they come up here and ask me for selfies and ask me how the kids are doing, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? You like your little 7-Eleven job, Michael? You know what I'm saying? Huh? All right, so then put the motherfucking king-size sticker in the bag and the backwoods and keep it moving, nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mani. So zany. Wow, let me black out. Yo, I'll stomp you out of my Chelsea boots on Dykeman. Don't play with me, nigga. A.K.A. Latino Touchy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you're so passing ever. You know what I'm saying? Broadcasting ever. AKA Tom Brady, you got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crash, boy. AKA the Table Shower Boys. AKA Field Ass Tyson, and I want to explore your cosmos, my butt. With your respect and agency, of course. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first motherfucker to tap on our live. Been doing it before Dex, you heard? AKA Friday Messi MVP of Gelato, AKA Xander Betterfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
To what?
To smoke with me.
Yeah.
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? The flagship, we holding on. You know what I'm saying? We holding strong. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever recreated a child's cranium using only styrofoam cups and sporks? You have not. Therefore, you cannot stand in my presence. Candy, get the strap. Air this motherfucker out.
Get the strap.
AKA, I open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from Soundview Projects. It is the East Streetman Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your teeth is fucking and dope sick love. Don't let me lean. AKA I met Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
You know what I'm saying?
Never.
AKA Ballin' in Portland, player of the motherfucking week. Last week, we're still gonna ride that wave though. Barmelos Anthony. Bang! You know what I'm saying? AKA, listen, mate, it's only 2 rock stars left, the Bodega Boys. That's right, mate. All you fools, put your tunes for niche on SoundCloud, you fools. You know what I'm saying? 2 rock stars, and they are us, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a little Debbie cake under my nose. That's That's right. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target, it's higher than motherfucking Taco Fall on the fucking surfing the top of the wave in Hawaii. You know what I'm saying? Approach me like a motherfucking earth sign mammal, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I might react radically, and you might not like that. AKA, hey kids, it's Ben to the Ground. Hire for me kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's party late. Shit. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, man. You got the money? Can I get the deposit? Mr. Fun Fun, you want to hold this down for me for a second while I count this money?
I'll keep it short, so let me just grab a kid and run.
Good. All right, let's get out of here. The car's still running. AKA, I'm so fake lazy, your favorite SoundCloud rapper. This motherfucker's high off Downey. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I ain't even bother to put a soda in this shit. You know what I'm saying? Y ya tú sabes que viene, que lo que es. Turn on your SAP right now, motherfucker. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Tú sabes quién es, coño. Hey, la máquina que mueve el movimiento. De Mero, you know what I'm saying? Que es la bandera pámpara. You know what I'm saying? Estamos aquí, estamos en vivo desde el Leche Studio. You know what I'm saying? Con Desus bueno. You know what I'm saying? Víctor Lopez, la máquina. You know what I'm saying? La nena de la bodega, y Vicky, que está aquí, pero está inválida. Y motherfucking Hasan enseña que pone la fucking nota. You know what I'm saying? Tú sabes que lo que es. Estamos aquí, estamos activos. Y estamos. Saludos a mi secretario Pío. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. mi presidente Pío. Mala mía.
I respect it.
Estamos aquí. Estamos
I respect it. You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? Free freaky. You know what I'm saying? And rest in peace to my man Matt, A.K.A. Zuxo. You know what I'm saying? I love you, my nigga. Rest in peace. Holla.
You know what it is. You see what I'm saying? Niggas is out here. Episode 82. Episode 183.
Yeah.
Hit a little wormhole right there. You
Back
know
to
what
the
I'm saying?
future.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas too. Shout out to Graffiti Legend Phase 2 from the BX. Died this morning, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to you, Hip Hop Legend.
Rest in peace.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Cash App. Shout out to Victor. Shout out to Die. Shout out to Victoria. Shout out to Mero. Shout out to Jesus. Shout out to Mero. Shout out to everybody out to this bitch. We'll be back probably whenever the fuck we come back because we're on vacation. So, you know, you get this when you get this. Sorry. We're the drug dealers that have the good drugs, but we have the bad schedule. Sorry.
You know the fucking vibe.
We out. Ha!
You should retire, get that complimentary watch me out. Yo, with the quickness, so swift you miss this lyrical fitness.
I hate this song because it reminds me of the time I was in a club with a kufi. So, if you have a photo of that, I will give you $100 never to post it. I was like, who's that spoken word poet? I was like, yo, we're going to go party at Fat Black Pussycat in the basement.
Fam. Damn, niggas, you did the kufi. Listen,
Because Usher made that shit hot. I used to have the kufi over the do-rag. Don't play with me. All right? I was on that 2 Train heavy.
I thought about it for a second, and my man was like, yo, you been to jail? And I was like, nah, not like jail? Or like bookings? And he was like, nah, jail, nigga. And I was just like, no. He's like, nah, don't do that shit. Yeah. I was like, what the fuck?
Nah, shit, that shit matched my Vanson.
It's like, he's like, yo.
Right? That shit matched my NASCAR jacket. All right? You okay?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I mean,
it's both.
You know what I'm saying? Just walking through Times Square, shit says Marlboro. You know why? You guys know why?
You know the fucking vibe.
You know the fucking vibes.
No, motherfucker.
Exactly what Jesus said to the disciples.
Oh, shit.
Like, this nigga Judas gonna stab me. You know the fucking vibes.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas gonna ride out or what? You know what I'm saying? Nigga Peter was like, you not got you, my G.
Not one of them niggas is like try to snuff Judas. Like after,
yo, the fuck? And
they should have jumped him.
Yo,
they should have jumped. They was like, yo, come outside.
Yo, Paul was like, yo, son,
come outside.
Yo, nigga, I'm off the Henny. Yo, don't fucking play with me, my nigga. I swear, I'll hook off right now.
Nigga just throwing rocks at his window. Like, come outside, pussy.
Come outside, you bad ass. Pussy. You ass, nigga.
Come outside, Judas.
Yo, you know Jesus ain't no tough guy, my nigga, but I am, nigga.
Knocking two glasses together like, Judas, come out and play. He's like, yo, keep it down. This nigga killed the Messiah.
Yo, fuck that.
Yo, on God, he killed God.
Yo, I'm sorry.
My nigga.
Yo, I'm sorry for making the boisterism and all that, but yo.
You walk my donkey.
Nah, well, yo, listen.
You get out my manger.
Well, nah.
Also, clearly, Jesus was born on Arthur Ave. A Messiah was born down the street.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo-Bop.
Bop. His name was Michael Anthony Jesus. Yeah.
Hey,
The labor pains. I think I'm having. It's drowning. He's drowning. I see him.
Fuck your pains, bitch. What about my pains? My fucking guts hurt.
No, not now. Not now.
Fuck yeah.
Oh.
With kindred spirits, your guts hurt and my guts hurt too, you fucking dumb broad. Oh, fuck.
Bop.
I came here to save the world and bring salvation.
Bop.
But first, who got a hot spoon?
Ow. And thus begins the Michael Anthony Christmas saga.
That's it. Fuck Charlie Brown Christmas.
That's just
Fuck the
canceled.
Christmas story.
It's
Cancel
the Michael
shit.
Anthony Christmas.
Holla.
Michael Anthony knew. I have to say Michael Anthony. He's the Messiah. He's going to bring pure peace. Look at him. Look at his beautiful little eyes.
Bro.
Look at his mouth. And it's like he's sucking for something, but it's not a nipple.
Bro, I will if you got one, a bag for me. You know what I'm saying?
What?
Like they sent me down here to look for Julio. Turns out the guy's name is Jesus. So I'm here. I got to find him. And that will bring everybody salvation, I think. Yeah. Yes. For everybody, not just me. I'm not a selfish person. I'm not.
Scholars wondered if the baby Michael Anthony was actually a baby or just a grifter, a small Puerto Rican man pretending to be a baby.
No. Why would I do that? First of all, mi parlo italiano, paisana, right? You what are you calling me? Some kind of fucking swimming moulignan? What the fuck is that? No fucking way. I eat gabagool for breakfast, lunch, and fucking dinner. All right, still red, white, and green, pal. All right. And first of all, I'm not a fucking baby. If I was a baby, would I have such a goo goo gaga vocabulary? Goo goo bag. Goo goo gaga Julio. Goo goo gaga, I need a bag. That's all I say. I'm not fucking saying a lot of things. You fucking jerk. I'm a baby.
But the baby Michael Anthony was not safe because 3 wise men were on their way. Following the trail of Julio, they came bringing gifts. It was Officer Prosciutto, Ben Carlson, and Donald Trump.
I bring you a gift, Michael Anthony. Since I've recently found out that you are actually a white person, I will allow you to stay in this country. You're welcome.
Oh, thank you, Donald. Thank you for blessing the baby.
You're welcome.
MAGA.
Is that your mother?
Yeah, that's my mom, fucking cunt. I can't stand that bitch.
Don't talk like he's the greatest president ever.
Well, I'll let you in a little secret, Michael. She's got a great set of cans on her.
Oh, thank you.
You know, it's off the record, though.
Thank you. I never get a mammogram.
I have brought you the ability to perish and return 3 days later. You're welcome.
Thank you, Dr. Ben Carlson.
Yes.
You're so articulate. You
Yes.
speak so well for,
Yes, I know. Moulignan, I get it. Yeah, I know.
You're the color of an eggplant.
I know. Great. That's, by the way, that's a slur, but I let it go because, hanging around Donald.
You gotta let some stuff go.
Anything goes.
Hey, anyway, fuck yeah, you get these bozos out of here. Look, this is what I got for you, pal. Listen, in the future, look into the future with me, all right? They're gonna come for you, pal. This right here is the first vest I ever had as a beat cop walking down Victory Boulevard, choking out those fucking moulignans and those dope fiend Puerto Ricans. And it's seen better days, but it will protect you. It will protect your mantle, my son. Wear it with pride.
Oh, Salvatore, you're such a big-hearted Italian.
Thank you.
The fact that you allowed me have a baby by... God.
Yeah, that's right.
You're still gonna, claim father.
It's a cute kid. I didn't know. When you said God, I didn't know. That sounds like a funny name. If you would have told me like Vito or Carmine, I would have been like, I'll raise that kid as my own.
Yeah.
But God, I don't know the ethnicity of that type of name, so I didn't want to.
Yeah, he's black.
But now he looks like me, so it's he's what?
Listen, let's all just pray, and we're just happy to have the baby
Wait,
Michael
hold on.
Anthony.
He's not.
Oh, pray his name is Anthony.
But he better not be fucking. Is he black? I think he said he's black. Anthony Marie.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Hey, happy holidays.
Should we do the drop?
Yeah, do the drop. Happy holidays from the Bodega Boys, you pieces of garbage. Enjoy it, you fucking fanooks.
Yeah. He's black with a big dick. I don't even know. Was that the intro? Was that a bonus? I don't know.
That gotta be the intro now.
Is that the intro? Shit.
Or cut it and save it for Christmas.
Let's not gonna be like, we weren't even recording. The Michael Anthony Christmas story.
Yo.